Welcome, everyone. Today, we're going to explore how artificial intelligence is transforming education. I'm excited to share how AI is changing the way we teach and learn, making the whole experience more personalized and efficient. Hello, friends. Welcome to our YouTube channel. If you enjoy our content, please subscribe to stay updated with our new videos. Let's start with a quick overview. First, we'll dive into what AI is and how it's evolving in education. Then, we'll move on to how AI enhances learning experiences by personalizing education. Finally, we'll touch on the challenges and ethical considerations that come with incorporating AI into education. To kick things off, we'll look at what AI really means in education. In simple terms, AI refers to machines that simulate human intelligence, like learning and adapting. AI is being used to analyze data, personalize learning experiences, and improve educational outcomes. Artificial intelligence, or AI, refers to machines that are programmed to think and learn. It includes technologies like machine learning and natural language processing. In education, AI helps by analyzing student data, adapting lessons to individual learning styles, and making education more personalized and effective. AI has come a long way in education. Early AI systems were simple tutoring programs, but now we have sophisticated platforms that adapt to individual students' needs. AI not only helps students learn better, but it also assists teachers by automating tasks, freeing them to focus on what matters most. AI is becoming a crucial part of modern education. It personalizes learning by adapting to each student's needs, automates routine tasks for teachers, and provides instant feedback. AI even supports students outside the classroom through virtual tutors and helps students with special needs, making education more inclusive. Let's now look at how AI makes learning more personalized. One of the major strengths of AI in education is its ability to adapt and create tailored learning experiences for each student. It's a game-changer in terms of engagement and effectiveness. Adaptive learning technologies adjust content and difficulty levels based on real-time student performance. These platforms, like Dreambox or Smart Sparrow, give students personalized feedback, filling knowledge gaps and providing tailored interventions. It's like having a learning experience that evolves with the student's progress. Intelligent tutoring systems take personalization to another level. These systems use data analytics to provide feedback and guidance that is customized to each student's pace and learning style. They make learning more interactive, engaging, and supportive. AI is also a powerful tool for educators. It analyzes student data to help teachers identify learning patterns and areas of need. With these insights, educators can adjust their instruction and improve student outcomes. AI even helps detect at-risk students early on, allowing for timely intervention. Now, as with any transformative technology, AI in education presents challenges and ethical considerations. We need to be mindful of these as we continue to integrate AI into classrooms. A big concern is data privacy. AI systems need access to a lot of student data to function, but this raises the risk of unauthorized access or data breaches. We need strong protection measures and compliance with regulations like GDPR to ensure students' personal information is secure and used responsibly. Another concern is the risk of over-relying on AI. While it offers valuable support, there's the potential for students to become too dependent on AI tools, which could impact critical thinking skills and face-to-face social interactions. It's important to strike a balance and make sure students still develop independent learning skills. Lastly, there's the issue of bias. AI systems can inherit biases from the data they are trained on, which could result in unfair outcomes. To ensure fairness, we need diverse data sets and transparent AI systems. Regular audits of these systems can help reduce bias and build trust.